Hi everyone, if you are waiting for your Google AdSense pin and it's taking too long, you are not alone. In this video, I will show you how I got my AdSense just in 7 days. You heard me right, just in 7 good days. Stay tuned. There are 3 steps you need to take in order for you to have your AdSense pin faster, even though in lesser than 7 days. The first step, we'll talk about it, that is meeting up with the threshold. The second step, it is your verification, and the third step is visiting a mailbox. Okay, so I will tell you when you need to do all this. So let's start with the first one, which is the threshold. Please note that this video is timestamped, okay, so you can skip it to your appropriate to the appropriate section you need. For you to expect a AdSense pin or AdSense pin from Google, you must have met up with a threshold of at least $10. That is, your YouTube account must have been showing signs of payment or equivalent to your currency in your country. Then you will be requested to fill in some details. Okay, so in this section there are various aspects to verify your account. All right, now you can make use of your means of identification, that is your NIN, your driver's license, okay, and your passport. But please note, these 3 identification, the NIN, the driver's license, and the international passport, should I say about on everyone you would have the NIN, but only few will have either the international passport or the driver's license. Okay, now if you make use of your NIN, then you'll be requested to provide proof of your residential address. Okay, so this is the area where a lot of people get stuck, and it has been a pain in the butt. Okay, but no problem. Like I said, I will tell you what I did in order for me to get it in 7 days. Now, with the use of your NIN, the next thing to do is to try to locate the nearest post office around you. It is very, very important, so that you will not just be an expectant of a letter whereby the post office guys really did not know you or your address. So the best thing to do is try to locate the nearest post office center. I will leave a link. Okay, in Nigeria here we make use of NIPOST. Okay, so you can try to survey around to get the nearest post office around you, and you need to meet with the riders, the posters. Okay, very, very important. You need to have their contacts, and the best thing to do is, instead of even using your home address, it is better you use that post office address. Okay, so that immediately the letter lands in the post office, the person you add his digits. These are digits would give you a call. And see guys, gotten there to request for the address of the post office, the director, the person in charge actually brought out some AdSense of people that they were expecting to give out, and there was no really direction to know the address. It was very, very much. Probably someone that's been expecting since January that probably it will come. Is because you did not actually take this step. You need to visit your nearest post office. Do not even use, do not even use your own address. Use the post office address and try to have the digits of the person in charge. Are you with me? And with that, you would have it faster. And that's what I did. Okay, I was there on Monday, and before the Friday of that day of that week, I got a message on my WhatsApp that my pin is available, that should come for pickup. So let's say peradventure I use my email address, and I use my home address instead of the post office address. That is in the payment verification aspect. Then you would see that they have to locate where the address is, and sometimes they might end up returning back the pin back to their headquarters, that it's not, they were unable to deliver the message. So that is it guys, and that's what I did. Then the next thing to do is, once you follow up the procedure, there are videos that is available in this link. Okay, videos of people that I actually followed when I was trying to create my AdSense report, okay? Because that's the first thing. Before you can get verified, you need to fill in some form, fill in some details. Okay, so I'll leave a link to that channel. It's not my channel, that's not my channel, okay, but it's a mentor of mine. So I'll just leave a link down below so you guys can actually watch that. So once you watch that, it will teach you how to create that folder. I mean, how to verify your identity. Now, but for what I've said so far, for the email address, it is I repeat, you have your NIN, okay, regardless of your international passport or your driver's license. If you have those, all this procedure will be out of it. But if you don't have your driver's license and international passport, because you pay to get that, okay, but for your NIN, it's more cheaper. Not that you don't pay to get it, it's more cheaper, okay, but you need to convert it to a plastic ID card because you'll be scanning the front and the back of your NIN. It's very, very important. Now, once you've done that, visit your nearest email post office address, do what I've said so far, have the person digits, then try to communicate with the person on time. Will often, and before you know it, you will get your pin faster. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys, and for my subscribers, thank you for the support so far, making us to get to this threshold. It is wow. You guys, I love you guys. Thank you for being a part and a good supportive member. I love you guys. Thank you so much. God bless you. Have a lovely day. See you later. Bye for now. Cha cha. One love.